Today class is about subscript. Okay. Yesterday we discussed about the occurs class and why we are using and how many times the occur class is going to repeat it. We have already seen some syntax. Okay. So by using this subscript, uh, it is used to represent the position of the element, means field in the table or array. Okay. What subscript will do means, so it will represent the position of the element, means in which position you want to store the value. Okay. So array declaration with no indexed by class. And subscript variable should be declared in the working storage section variable only. And subscript variable is always numeric data type and always it starts from the 1. Means the subscript variable always starts from the first position. Okay. So this is my one-day array using subscript, and this is my table name, my employee record. Okay. How many times occur class is repeating? 5 times. So inside the occurs class, two columns, EID and ename. Okay. This is my 01I picture class, 1 byte. So how many times this occurs class is repeating? 5 times.
Right.
So what is the picture class length for 5? It is 1 byte is enough now. So I have
Yes,
taken
ma'am.
only 1 byte. So this is my subscript variable declared in the working storage section. Understand? Perform
Yes, ma'am.
varying I from 1 by 1 until I greater than 5. Means how many times this perform will repeated? 5 times. Occurs class? 5 times. Accept EID, accept ename, display employee record. Okay. And perform. This loop will be repeated inside the loop statements until this condition is false, means until I greater than 5. Okay, we can also write in move statements. So move 1 to I by initializing I value with 1. So by using perform until I greater than 5, accept EID and accept enum and display that record of I, add 1 to I and perform. Okay, if you see this table, you can understand easily. So I have written employee table. So I'll write it down here and so this is my table, right? And my table name is what? EMPL. Okay. And it contains how many rows? Two rows. EID and ename. EID and ename. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Two rows divided like this. Got it?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
for the first time, what is the I value? 1. Okay. 1 greater
Yes, ma'am.
than 5.
5.
Okay. EID of 1. EID of 1 is what? 10.
Yeah, yes, ma'am. First time we are giving the value, ma'am, that one.
Not getting this very well. EID, ename, my table name is EMPL. Okay. And
Ma'am, one doubt, ma'am.
ask me, ma'am.
Ma'am, are you writing something on the notepad, ma'am? Here, nothing. I could not say there.
Well, I'm using Sketch.
No, yeah, I could not say anything in here.
Okay, you can't see. Okay, wait.
Yes, ma'am.
Now can you see?
Yes, money. Now I can, it is visible money.
Okay, you can see my sketch now.
Now only money.
Okay, okay. So my table name is EMPL and with two columns EID and ENAME. So the table is divided like this. Okay. So now
Yes,
what is my EID? EID of 1, EID of 2, EID of 3, EID of 4, EID of 5. ENAME of 1, like this, 2, 3, 4, 5. ENAMEs. Okay. So
okay.
if I return EID 101, 102, 103, 104, 105. And ENAME A, B, C, D, E. So these are my records. So first time, what is my I value? I value is 1. So my condition 1 greater than 5. So it will goes to inside the loop. EID of I is 1. So 10001 is entered. Next EID of, sorry, ename of 1. A is typed and display that record. Means this record will be displayed into the table. Okay.
Yes,
Again,
money.
increment by 1. I value is 2. Means 2 greater than 5. So enter into the loop. Now EID of 2. EID of 2. Enter 10002. Ename of 2. B is enter. Write employee record. This record will be written into the table. Okay. Next increment by 1. 3. I value is 3. 3 greater than 5. Now EID of 3. 10003 is entered. Accept ename. C. Display that record. Okay. So like this loop will be repeated until the condition is false. 6
Also.
greater than 5. True. Loop terminate. Okay.
Yes, money.
So we will give all these values in the sys in DD star. Okay.
Okay, money.
So how many times this occur class is repeating?
5 times money.
5 times. So 5 times accept EID ename 2. 5 into 2, 10 times. We have to provide 10 values like this. Okay. If I
Okay,
provide
money.
up to 4, only 4 records will be stored and fifth record will be empty. Okay. It is wastage
Yes,
of
money.
memory. It is wastage of memory. So
Memory.
if you are using occur class and occur class is repeated 5 times, but you are providing only 3 values. Okay. 2 occur class values are wasted. It is wastage of memory. To overcome this scenario, we'll see in the next class. Okay, understand?
Okay.
This
Yes,
is
money.
1D array example. Okay.
Okay.
Coming to 2D, so I have declare one table name and employee record occurs 5 times, EID and ename, and my ename is uh, consists occur class 2 times, means first name and last name. Okay, and I value and j value. So these two are what my subscript variables. Okay.
Yes, money.
Now Perform I from 1 by 1 until I greater than 5. Why? Because occur class is repeating 5 times. Except EID. Okay. Next perform. Perform J from 1 by 1 until J greater than 2. Why? Because E name occur class 2 times is repeating for first name and last name. Except E name I comma J. And perform and display the record and perform. Okay. So you can also write by using perform until also same logic. Okay. Got it.
Yes, ma'am.
So I'm not. Okay. So this is my table. Okay. And my table consists EID and ENAME columns. Again, my ENAME is contains first name and last name. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
So this is the table. This is the structure of the table now. Okay. How many times we have to write this occurs class is repeated 5 times. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
5 into first name and last name now.
5 into 2, money.
No, 5. You will provide all these values in the first class. So like this. First ID, first name, last name. ID, first name, last name. ID, first name, last name. So in the output you can see like this. ID, first name, last name. ID,
Last name.
first name, last name. ID, first name, last name. Okay, we have to give how many values? 15.
Yes, ma'am.
15 only, no. I have given only
Yes.
three values. I have wasted this last two occurs. Okay.
Yes,
So so first I value starts from 1, I greater than 5, enter EID. Now J value is what? J also starts from 1, condition check in 1 greater than 2. What is I value? 1. And J value is also 1. So in place of 1 is to 1, first name will be entered. Next, again control goes to increment by J. J value is to 1. I value is 1 only, no. J value is now 2. 1 comma
2.
2. In
2.
1 comma 2 position, last name will be printed.
Second, last name.
Okay. Again
Yes,
increment
ma'am.
by 1. J value 3. Loop terminate. And perform and display this first record. Means like this. This first record will be displayed. Now the control goes to I value increment by 1. Now condition checking 2 greater than 5.
2 greater than 5.
Enter EID 1002. Okay. Again J value starts from which position? 1 only.
First position.
1 greater than 2. Now I value is what? 2. J
2.
value 1. 2 comma
1.
1 position. First name will
EID.
be printed. Next. Control goes to J increment 2 greater than 2. Now J value is 2. I value is also 2. 2 comma 2. In place of 2 comma 2, last name will be printed. Like this loop will be repeated until the condition is true. Okay, understand about this
Yes,
2D
ma'am.
array?
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm. Coming to 3D. Okay.
Okay.
Hmm. So I have not written this file structure. I'll this. Can you see my sketch?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, so this is my table. Okay. What happened? This is my table. Okay. So what is my table name? EMPL. Are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
So my table name is what? EMPL. Okay. So employee record how many times? Repeated 5 times.
5 times.
Columns are EID. So I'm entering EID. Okay. Next,
Yes, ma'am.
E name occurs 2 times.
2 times.
E name occurs 2 times. So for 2 times, so first name and
Last name.
name. Okay. Next, employee
EMP package.
EMP package occurs 2 times. EMP package. Okay. How many times? 2 times. So that is what is the 2 times? Take home and take home and cuttings. Okay. Got it? Take
Yes,
home
ma'am. I got it.
and cuttings. And one more is also there, variable pay. Variable salary. Okay. So this is my table now. Also, it's class of banks like 9501, 9502, and also reducing integrity of banks. Clear? So this is my 1D. Okay. And occurs plus repeated 2 times and third time. This is my 3-dimensional array. Hello. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Understood, ma'am.
This is 3-dimensional array table. Take a snap.
1 minute, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. I have taken.
Okay. This is 3-dimensional array example. And this is your practice programs questions. So we have to create a table. Okay. And,
Okay, ma'am.
and solve the questions. Okay.
Okay.